All right, so this is a quick little video to show you how to find the height. So first thing I want you to keep in mind is that these numbers are not the numbers from the problem that you're going to be doing. I kind of changed some things around. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need the formula for volume of a cone. That formula is 1/3 pi r squared times h. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go substitute some numbers in and we're going to go solve for h. Okay, so the first thing I know is I know that the volume is 252.5. So I'm going to set that equal to 1/3 times pi, which we're going to use 3.14, times r squared. So if you're given a diameter, right, to find the radius, because the formula requires that you use an r, not the d, the diameter, you need a radius, you're going to take the diameter and divide by 2. So 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. So I'm going to put 4.5 squared and then times h, because I don't know what the height is. That's what we're trying to find. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my handy dandy calculator out. I'm going to type some numbers in and I'm going to go solve this equation. Okay, so personally, when you go to solve this, I think the easiest thing to do is to go get rid of the fraction first. So I'm going to go multiply by 3. So when I multiply by 3, that disappears. So I'm going to multiply 252.5 by 3. And so I'm just typing that in, 252.5 times 3, and I get 757.5. So this is going to equal, okay, whatever 3.14 times 4.5 squared is. And remember, all of that is times h. Now you can type this into your calculator directly all in one step, or you can do it separately. I'm actually going to do both just so that you see it. So let's go do 4.5 squared first and get a 20.25. Okay, and that still equals my 757.5. I'm going to take 3.14 and I'm going to multiply it by 20.25. And I get 63,585. Now, what if I did it all in one big giant step? So what if I typed in 3.14 times 4.5 squared? So let me show you that really quick before we finish solving. So 3.14 times 4.5 squared, look at that, I get 63,585. So I'm at the same place, okay? So you can absolutely do it in one step. All right, so now that you're here, we're going to divide by 63.585. Notice I haven't been rounding anything, okay, as I'm doing this. So 757.5, I'm going to divide by 63.585, and I get 11.9. So it looks like my height should be 11.9 inches, okay?